She has over 15 years experience in credit risk management, having worked at EcoBank Kenya and CDN Bank. Her specialties are in risk management, credit assessment, accounting and finance. She is also well versed in strategic leadership, project management, corporate governance, communication, teamwork and client relations. Please welcome the Director General, Kenya Development Corporation, Nora Ratemo.
Well represented by Judith Omachar. Welcome.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be very fast. Allow me to ride on the protocols already observed. So I'll read the speech from my Director General, Ms. Nora Ratemo. So, Honorable Adan Hussein Duale, the Chair of EAC Summit, distinguished guests, business leaders, ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed our honor to address you at the opening of the EAC Global Connect Summit, Expo 2025. The theme of this summit, which is unlocking East Africa community markets to global business avenues through enhanced trade and collaboration, is both timely and very essential. According to the East Africa Community Secretariat, the EAC is home to an estimated population of over 300 million citizens, about 342 million citizens, and has combined GDP of approximately US dollars 312.9 billion. This is an equivalent of about 40.4 trillion Kenya shillings. By the year 2050, this population is projected to grow significantly, positioning the EAC as one of the largest single regional markets globally. This demographic scale, combined with advancing integration, presents a unique opportunity to enhance trade and investment. Now, Kenya is committed to advancing regional integration and serving as a gateway to trade and investment within the East Africa region. At the core of this commitment is the Kenya Development Corporation, Kenya's premier development finance institution. Now, KDC's mandate is to catalyze sustainable socio-economic development by providing affordable financing, infrastructure support, and advisory services to entrepreneurs across the region and in key sectors of the economy. Our role extends beyond finance, and this is to actually transform Kenya's socio-economic landscape while strengthening the competitiveness of the broader EAC community. So in terms of the impact of what KDC has achieved by the financial year, in the financial year 2022-2023, KDC's finance projects, these are the projects that Kenya Development Finance Corporation financed, contributed about 17 billion Kenya shillings to the GDP and contributed and supported about 13,800,000 jobs. To date, KDC has supported enterprises having generated about 286 billion Kenya shillings to the GDP and creating jobs of 56,700 jobs. These achievements reflect the breadth of the sectors that KDC continues to support in manufacturing. So the key sectors of focus being manufacturing, where KDC is enabling value addition that creates jobs, strengthens local industries. KDC is also in post-harvest management, where we are financing storage, processing facilities that reduce losses, improve food security, and open export opportunities. We are also investing in the tourism sector and the creative economy, where we are helping to enhance experiences, promote culture, expand Kenya's global reach, And also in the digital economy, where KDC is also supporting, our financing is enabling entrepreneurs to adopt innovative technologies that increase competitiveness and efficiency. Equally, KDC is supporting the healthcare sector, the health enterprises that improve access to essential services, and we are also embedding climate-conscious investments and supporting climate change across sectors to build resilience and sustainability. This is the essence of KDC's narrative, empowering entrepreneurs, uplifting communities, and positioning Kenya and the East Africa in the global markets. Now, when we look at our interventions, we see that they align closely with the EAC development priorities. This being food security, where, as we've said, we are supporting the agro-processing, post-harvest management, industrialization through manufacturing, service sector growth in the service sector growth in the hospitality, logistics, and ICT, and sustainability, where we are embedding climate smart and climate conscious investments. Now, in terms of partnerships and collaborations, KDC cannot be able to achieve what we've done by ourselves. And KDC collaborates with various institutions, various sectors, including regional and global development finance institutions, local financial institutions, we also engage with the private sector associations like the KEPSA, the KNCCI, the CAM, to support entrepreneurs and strengthen value chains, and support value chains, influence, enabling policies, and enhancing regional market competitiveness. Now, in terms of our call for action, is that the future of EAC hinges on our ability to think regionally and act globally by enhancing our markets, by unlocking our markets, supporting entrepreneurs, and deepening trade collaboration with not only deepening trade collaboration will not only enable us participate globally, but also shape the future of global commerce. On behalf of the KDC board, we reaffirm our dedication to financing, supporting, and championing entrepreneurs who will connect Kenya and the East Africa worldwide to the world. Let us move forward together, unlocking opportunities, creating prosperity, and transforming lives together in the EAC economy. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, many thanks for your time. It's 20 minutes.